Hi, everybody. Thank you for tuning back in today for your math lesson. Today, we're going to be reviewing writing expressions. Now, in class, we talked about the difference in an equation and an expression. Okay. An equation has that equal sign to it. An equation is written to be solved. Okay. An expression is not. All we do is take words and turn them into a math expression. Okay. So today we're going to go over some main vocabulary that will tell you what operation to put in to your expression. Okay. So I have 6 keywords that we look for to decide what sign to put into our expression. Okay. All right. The first one that I have here is sum. Anytime you see the word sum, you add. Okay? So what that would look like in word form would be, what is the sum of 10 and 5? Now we're going to write that. So in numbers, it would look like 10 plus 5. So sum is to add. An example of using words would be, what is the sum of 10 and 5? And then this would be your expression. I'm on the wrong side. 10 plus 5. All right. The next word we're going to cover is difference. Now, when I see the word difference, that means to subtract. Okay? Now, what that would look like in words would be, what is the difference between 12 and 2? Now, in numbers, that would look like 12 subtract 2. And notice, we're not solving these or writing an equal mark because we are writing expressions, not equations. Okay? The next one I'm going to cover is product. When we see product, that means to multiply. Okay? Now, in word form, product would look like this. What is the product of 6 and 2? And then if we write that in numbers, it would be 6 times 2. Okay? So we've got sum is adding. Difference is subtracting. Product is multiplying. And then we have quotient, okay? Anytime we see quotient, that means we are going to divide. Now, in word form, I've got them down here. It would look like the quotient of 12 and 6. So if we write that with numbers, it would be 12 divided by 6. Okay. Now, there were 2 other words that I wanted to review with you. I'm going to prop this up just a tad. All right. And that is increase, okay, and decrease. So when we see increase, that means that whatever we're working with goes up in value or goes to a higher number, okay? So in word form, that might look like increase 12 by 4, okay? So we're increasing 12 by 4, and that would look like 12 plus 6. That's not right. 12 plus 4. Okay? So increase means to go up. Now decrease is just the opposite of that. That means our number or our value is going to become smaller. Okay? Increase, it gets bigger. Decrease, we get smaller. Now in word form, that would look like decrease 10 by 6. Okay? So in number form, that would be 10 subtract 6. So those are our key words that we use to decide what operation to stick into our expression, okay? I will take a picture of this and put it on Google Classroom for you. You can go to, there's lots of things you can do to write expressions. If you want to go online, just Google practice writing expressions, and it will give you some activities that you can do in addition to this, okay? Keep working on your week 1 choice board, and tune in tomorrow for another lesson. Take care.